All right, the framing of the outside shell is all completed, and how you doing? Stefan, Blue Bayou Resort, Canadian Tiny Home. It's been a while since I haven't shared a video, about a week now, because I've been busy doing a lot of saw cuts, prepping all my wood. I even did this template. Well, you can see I got a lot of sawdust all bagged up. Ran all these 2x6s and made all these sticks. All those sticks are for, and I even made a lot of these blocks. I got 3-4 blocks left. That's all I got left, so that I can do all these. These are all the blocks I've been using, and I ripped all these down. OSB boards. Made a bunch of blocks. Made channels so that the OSB fits in it. All stapled and glued. And install them all. Then I'm now making the triangles, or the inside triangles. The outside were made with a bigger, they were like a double, two triangles. And because I'm doing these boards, now I gotta make single triangles, because I sandwiched the OSB with the 2 screws. Makes it really solid. But to find the size of that triangle, that's another thing. I think I must have changed that template right there, like probably 7-8 times. I didn't count, but quite a bit of times where I was doing all these triangles, and it was coming at the end there, and I realized, oh, it's a little off. So then I had to do a correction, and the important part is, the bottom has to be the same reveal. There's a little reveal there, which is fine, because it's because of the board, the thickness of this board. You need a reveal about 1/4 inch. These boards are 1/2 inch. So underneath here, you need a little bit of a reveal because of that. But you can see now, it's even like if you're looking at that area, see how straight it is. Beauty of it all, again, is all the triangles are all the same size, except for these 2 and these ones on each side of the door. And I got a little bit of framing to do around here, make some space for insulation, and then that's it. All right, now let's see how it fits. This is the one I just finished. Just putting it up right now with a few screws. I am not like overkilling it, because I do have to take this down. We're in the garage. The reason I'm doing this again is to make all my templates. I'm gonna make templates for the bottom walls. I'm gonna make templates for the doors, and I'm gonna have templates for everything. A little snug. Always super snug when I'm filming, don't know why. And then putting a 2.5 inch or 3 inch screw in there. Doesn't go 2.5 inches perfect. Doesn't go true. All right, the framing of the outside shell is all completed, and I'll show you that right now. I got a little roof at the entrance. Got all the framing done inside and out. So I started with the outside, then I added the purlines, piece in the middle, the OSB. The reason I wanted to do all of this first, and this is my prototype, is because I want to build the inside walls. So I'm starting to measure my inside walls right now. Just give you an idea. This is pretty much what I'm going with at the moment. There should be a bit more 2x4, but anyway, you'll see it as I move along. Probably next video. So I'm thinking this would be the bathroom where you come in between these two pieces. And then we're gonna have the shower probably in this corner, probably a toilet in that corner, and against this wall, a sink. Kitchen is gonna be set in a little bit in this wall. So the kitchen cabinets, that's about 8 feet. It's a full 2x6. I put some blocks at the end just for the finish. And that's the design that I'm kind of going with. Get on this wall right here. And then the back where you see there right now, there'll probably be a door. Well, there will be a door right here where you come in. And then this space, you can fit a queen size bed. And that's it. It's gonna be the bedroom. And then this whole area here, let me back up a little bit, even though I'm in the bedroom. Probably gonna be a couch there. See, that's the entrance. And just a living room. And I'm thinking I may put some kind of a, it's gonna be a wall right here where this blue line is. That blue line is right now. So maybe a bar or something like that against that wall coming out, with bar stools on either side or both sides. And then we also planning on building a loft, which should be about maybe just a few inches, about 4 or 5 inches higher than this point right here. It's about 7 feet underneath for the ceilings in the rooms, in the bathroom and the bedroom. And then the loft's gonna go over the bathroom and the bedroom. And we're gonna put up there, we're gonna put a queen size bed with skylight. So you're gonna have 4 skylights, those 4 triangles. So if you kind of see right now, the wall is kind of in line with the middle of the dome. So 2 of the skylights are gonna be just above the queen size bed on the loft right there, these 2 right there. So I can't wait. Can't wait to get there. So that's my next project. I'm gonna pre-build all the walls and pre-build the floor for up there. And so follow me, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe so you can see more of this good stuff, more of this goodness. Stefan from CanadianTinyHome.ca or Stefan from Blue Bayou Resort. Have a good one.